Introducing the powerful and stylish 2025 Isuzu D-Max TER4059C in sleek black. With a 1.9-litre engine, automatic transmission, and top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and lane departure warning, this pickup is perfect for both work and play. Safety is top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the added convenience of a spare wheel, trailer stability program, and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit our website, burnscarsales.ie, for more information. Drive away in style and confidence with the Isuzu D-Max TER4059C.